Hi everyone, welcome back to RTS and welcome back to 15-Minute Mixer. And yes, I have a big old pile of something right here. So what we're going to do is we are absolutely going to start the timer, and I'm going to continue working on this project I started in the last Minute Mixer. Yes, now I will get my timer set here and I will get cracking. Yes, get cracking. 15 minutes on the time. Can we get going? Yes, and I hope you are going to play along, work along, have fun right along with me. Okay, I'm setting my timer. Yes, here we go, 15 minutes. Okay, now in the last Minute Mixer, I said I would show what books I'm focusing on in December. And of course, it's this one right here, recommended by Sharon. So again, thank you, Sharon. I'm already enjoying this so much. So much. And then these are the 3 books I have been reading this whole year. I haven't finished them. So yes, this one I think I got at the Dollar Tree. And boy, is it a really good book. But when I read a book, and if it's a good book, I don't just fly through it. I have to enjoy one chapter at a time, take it in. Yeah, so I don't do fluff reading. And that's what I think it takes me a while. And I just don't pick it up for weeks at a time. So I'm hoping over the holidays, sitting by the fire, yes, getting some reading in. And what am I doing for my 15-minute mixer today? I am simply going to keep working. This is what I have left, okay? And I have these separated by colors, and that's what I'm going to do. I have some travel here. I have some color combinations that's sticking out at me. And so I thought that's what we would talk about in this 15-minute mixer. And then when I see something like this, I'm like, which side would I use more? Yellow. And that's just what I do. I put it in the side that I think, and this color here does not do anything for me. So I'm also sticking things here in this bin that I'm going to put this on my desk. And these are ones that are just like, yeah, they're not really doing too much for me, but I just saw something. Oh, wait. See? I get distracted. Oh man, do I have the raccoon syndrome. Yeah, it doesn't take me long. But I'll talk about that in just a minute. So, I thought what we could do is talk about what is some of your favorite way that you use this type of supply. Journaling card, cut apart, project life, whatever you want to call it. It's all good, right? Yes, so what is your favorite way to use them? And of course, I have this theme of this family group by Simple Stories, and man, there's a lot in that set. So I'm just sticking them here. And so my favorite way to use them, of course, is embellishments. Oh, crazy is a relative term in my family. Well, I would say all my family relatives are crazy. Yes, we're all crazy. So one of my favorite ways is absolutely because of the influence of Laura Whitaker over the last several years is to actually, instead of seeing this as a a pocket page card or journaling card, I see this as an embellishment. And then I could use this background wood grain as a pattern, use a punch. So I see them a lot as embellishments. So I like doing that, using die cutting some things out of there, fussy cutting some things out of there. And then also, too, I love to do layouts using the grid. And I'll have a video linked below where we talked about in our go-to designs, the grid go-to design. And I love using this here for simple, quick, fast. Yes, go-to a grid page using this product. And so I'll have a video linked below. And then also, I like... See, there's just a lot in this family. I think there must be. I don't know if this was all one set, but see, this is 2 set of family. I don't know if that was all one Simple Story set or not. Yes. So I'm just putting them all together as a family. In that family group. Yes. And what was I saying? See, I'm getting distracted because, oh, yes. Another way I like to use them, and this is what's happening as I'm doing this, I have a pile of gold there, is that I'm seeing color combinations or story ideas or color schemes. I'm getting inspiration just by playing with these, okay? And I'll show you why. Okay, now see how this fits into the gold, okay? But I have 2 of these. Actually, no, 4 of them, okay? So I'm going to take one of these and put it in with this Simple Stories family theme. Why? These are by Teresa Collins. because this has family, this is themed, you can split things up. They don't all have to stay together. No, okay? So as I was saying, I get inspiration. So if you see this group right here, and I think this must have been like maybe Simple Stories pocket page for 2015, but you see this floral? Of course, I'm drawn to it, and I see a page right here with these. And so I'm keeping that in one little group. And then also too, I think this went with the same one, but I see this as a page too. So I'm going to keep them together. I see that as a page. And then I saw these. I thought of a page design for my little girl with her roommates. I thought that would be cute. And then I have this group here. I thought that would make a nice page. So I'm actually going to keep them separate, and I'm maybe put them not too far that I could work on them sooner than later. So not only am I organizing, I'm getting some page ideas, story ideas, and then I ran across this set right here. Now, I haven't found them all yet. So apparently this was, it says 12 months of happiness, 52 weeks of fun, 365 days of memories. Now, if you know me, I have been doing month in review for 12 years now. So next year will be my 13th year, yes, of working on month in review. And I absolutely think I'm going to use this set as an inspiration for either my 2018 or 2019. I'm a little bit behind on that project. So I think I'm going to do that. I just have to find every month, and apparently they must be different colors. So that was an inspiration. I didn't even plan, didn't even know they were in here. So I may do that, okay? Now, I don't do this multicolor thing. Now, look. Oh, this is a Valentine's. See? Valentine's. Okay, now I need to start another group. I'm running out of room. So that is what I'm doing. So when you organize and you organize a supply, does that happen to you? Do you get page ideas, story ideas, inspiration, color scheme ideas? All of that happens to me when I'm organizing. And now, so what I'll do is I will make a few notes of this because I simply can't remember it. It's fresh in my mind now because I'm sitting here working on this, but that doesn't mean I'll remember that a few months from now. So I would actually, I think this is all Valentine's Day. Yes, Valentine's. I'm hoping. I'm trying to get this project done in 2 15-minute mixers. Will that happen? We're going to see. But I'll show you what I have done so far with my 4x6 and some of my sets. I already have them in this photo box, and I have them separated by just some scraps that I cut down to use as... Oh, this is cute. Happy girls are the prettiest. Audrey Hepburn. I think that went in a set somewhere. See? Now I'm getting another pile. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Okay. So yes, I like looking at this and getting some story ideas. And so it's just fun to simply sit here and think about pages you may have coming up in the future. Yes, fun. Yes. Now, Simple Stories, when they came out with this color scheme, I was all over that like stink on a monkey. This color scheme, I don't know if I can find another one. And I'll tell you what, every time I see it, it just makes me go, ugh. This color scheme right here. I don't know what it is, but I have to either do something with it, like this color scheme right here. I was all over it. I bought 2 copies of everything because I just thought it was, oh, you could do so many things with it. This color scheme right here. And now I look at it and I just want to hurl. I just don't like it. I don't know. I don't know what happened there. But, okay, so what, we got some birthday. Now we got another group going on. So, speaking of story ideas, I got a question not so long ago. I think these are all birthday. See this right here? You could absolutely cut this out. I don't have to use it in this 304 size. I cut it out. Now I have an embellishment. You probably would have spent $1 for that. So, and then also too, to make some quick cards using these, because we have such an abundance of them. That is a quick way to use some up. I'm not into the habit of I want to use something up. To use something up, I enjoy my supplies. I don't get in a big hurry trying to use everything up because, of course, I'm on a spending freeze. If I used everything up, I wouldn't have anything. Like that's possible. But you know what I mean. I don't do that. I got to use it up, Nope. If I use it, I don't. If I use it, I use it. If I don't, just goes back on my shelf and I'll play with it the next time. I don't focus on that. And so I got the question not so long ago. Now this is a Christmas group. I got the question. Oh, get to the question, Janet. Lord, come on. Was how do I remember all my story ideas? And I simply keep them in track of a notebook, because otherwise I can't remember. So whenever I think of one, I either jot it down on a piece of, just a post-it note or something, and then I transfer it to my notebook, where it's just a running list of story ideas and layout ideas, and sometimes color schemes, and it's just a notebook where I just brain dump when I think of things, and it's just for scrapbooking stuff. I don't mix it in with my daily life planning stuff, because then it gets lost. Okay, so that's how I track and plan my story ideas. So how do you do that? Oh, that would be cute. Elf, little elf. Yes, that would be fun to do. I just found a little elf. Okay, now I have two lonely little green things here, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm absolutely going to stick them in this Christmas group and call it good. Oh, it's just one less pile. And so how do you track and plan your story ideas? Do you keep the track of them on your phone, or do you not keep a track of them? And so I say a simple notebook will do. Yes. Oh, see, there's that color. See, now look, you could absolutely take this one little 3x4 card and you could build an entire page kit or kit from this color scheme. This is beautiful. Of course, it's floral. I'm drawn to that, but that is beautiful. Look at the yellow and the coral and the red and the green and the blue. Very pretty. And you could get a navy in there. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Oh, and there we got a white. I don't think I have a white group. So there's some more Christmas. So I'm just putting this in pile. Absolutely having fun. I had Miss Becky Bitting on a little bit ago, watching her make it Monday kits. Love when she shares those. I just love when she shares anything. Yes, I will have her channel linked below. Very inspiring, Miss Becky. Yes, she is. Okay. There's so many inspiring people on YouTube. Is it not just the best thing ever? Yes, it is. It is the best thing ever. Okay, so what else do I have written here? How about, let's talk about, what time am I? I'm just talking. Oh, I'm down to 3 minutes. Okay, so I better wrap this up. What story ideas are you looking forward to getting recorded? And if you have some that you want to get recorded, are you planning on doing that in 2019? Is that going to be your focus going forward? I like to say I do a little bit of both. I scrap my daily life, and then I scrap stories, and then I scrap just for the heck of it. Yes, so I don't just do all story-based pages. I do event pages. I do monthly review pages. And then I just do things for fun. Yes. Okay. So this is the stack I have left. And I will just put them in color, and then I will finish putting them in this box. And then whatever ones I'm not inspired to keep, but yet I don't want to purge, they're going in this right here. And then I'm going to play with this. Just, oh, there's that. No, that's a different color scheme. I'm just going to put some in here, and it's just going to be something I play with. Just a play product. Yeah, like a dog with a new a dog with a new chew toy. This is my new chew toy. Yes. I'm going to play with that. Yes. My brother buys his one dog. He buys that thing, I think, a new toy every week. It's like a little kid. And I think they get excited buying that little thing. All those little toys. But anyways, I'm getting sidetracked. Yes. What I'm going to do is put them in here. And then this will be an overflow box, and that's all I simply can do with it. It will just be labeled journaling cards ... overflow, and I'll get to it when I get to it. But I'll show you in 2019 how we're going to do something with our supplies where you remember to go look at them, play with them, create with them, but not all at the same time. So something fun coming up. So hit the notification bell. And then also, too, I'm down to 1 minute, and I want to finish something about the stories. It doesn't matter if you have 100 stories you want to tell or 2 stories you want to tell. Write it down and get to it. And don't worry if you don't have a photo. Don't worry if you don't have the themed paper that you want to do with your story. Just do something with mood and feel and tell the story, because the focus is on the story. You don't have to worry about the product, because I will tell you that was a hang up I had for years, is that I simply put stories off and put stories off and put stories off because I didn't have the photo, or I did not have the themed paper or the right perfect paper I wanted. No such thing. Record the story, forget about the rest, because and then once you start doing that, then all these story ideas start popping up, and then you're like, I don't have to have a photo for that, don't have to have a photo for that. Sometimes you can use the internet and get a representation, or use some of your leftover photos as a representation to tell that story. So that's what I wanted to say. Yes, don't let that be a hang up going forth in 2019. You can do this. Yes, record the story. I know that was something that I really struggled with, but I conquered that. And guess what? There's our 15-minute mixer. And yes, I will finish up with this. Okay, I gotcha. Okay, then I will finish up with this, and then we will get busy doing some other things coming up. And we have our Record December going on. We have 4 for 4 either happening or starting or in the middle of. And then what also are we going to do? I think we're going to do some other start to finish videos just to play. And so come back to a 15-minute mixer again, get started on a project, get cracking. And if you have to hit that repeat button 3 times, that's what you need to do to get that project completed. Okay, that's all I have for today at RTS. So come back, because you never know what we're going to do. Bye.